How to create group chat on Snapchat. Creating a group chat on Snapchat is simple way. Here's how to do it. Right now I'm on my Android phone. You can follow these same steps on your iPhone. First of all, launch your Snapchat app and go to Chat panel. Now tap on New Chat and tap on New Group. And in this box, write an account name whom you want to add to the group. That's how you will be able to add up to 200 contacts to your group. Tap here to add a group name. Then tap on Chat with Group. And now you can start messaging to the group. So here's my group has been successfully created. This is how we can create a group chat on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below.